This is a compact system of Manglam Biomass Gasifier, a system of 3 lakh kilocalories per hour. This system converts wood chips into a gas, and that gas passes through the pipeline to all the different sweets and namkeen bhattis in this factory. As we can see, the pipeline from outside has come inside to the bhatti. So this is a typical medium flame bhatti. It means this product requires medium flame, medium pressure, and it can be adjusted. Again, this particular bhatti requires medium flame and medium pressure. Again, it can be adjusted. From the pipeline, we can give multiple connections in multiple bhattis. Now this particular product and this particular bhatti requires small flame. So again, adjust it. Some sweets require less flame, some requires more. So accordingly, the flame length and the pressure can be adjusted. Now these two bhattis requires high pressure, high flame. So accordingly, we have adjusted. Earlier, this company was using diesel and LPG for their production. Now we have fully replaced that with the help of Manglam Biomass Gasifier, and they are saving huge fuel cost, up to 70-75% of the fuel saving. Fully replaced diesel and LPG.